Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt 20 volt max starter kit. This is the 2021 promo kit that DeWalt has in the holiday sales. I just posted the videos of Milwaukee, DeWalt, Makita, and the gift section. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll link them up above on that corner for you guys, so you guys will see those. That's how I got these deals. There's a few stores in the United States that already have these deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yeah, I ended up getting, I bought this for $179, and I ended up getting the angle grinder. You guys know that if you guys watch my videos, you guys know that these flexible tools, or flexible advantage tools, are the tools to get. That's why DeWalt's killing it this year with this 20 volt max starter kit. You got, it says includes DeWalt one bag. It says right here you got DCB 24C or 6CK. It says guaranteed tough, minimum battery voltage 20 volts, nominal voltage is 18. You got a fuel gauge on the batteries. It says XR. Charger warranty 3 years, 1 year on the free service, and 90-day money back guarantee. It says battery warranty 3 years. All right. So it says 20 volt max DCB 204 4 amp hour battery. You got 20 volt max DCB 206 6 amp hour battery charger. Contractor bag. Back, we got some nice, these are not rubber, this is a plastic rest for the bag. It says DeWalt. Pretty nice materials. You guys know DeWalt bags are pretty much, they're solid, you know, they're pretty much construction grade. You got some nice handles here. Bags, you can store some smaller tools in there. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the side, and then we'll just bring the tools up here. Alright, first of all, we got the instruction manual. Alright, so we got the 6 amp hour battery. Thought it was the 4. This is the 6 amp hour battery. It's supposed to be the 21700 cells. I'll see if that's true or not. Alright, so we got the DeWalt 20 volt max XR 6 amp hour battery. Lithium. Yeah, I think this is the 21700s. It says 2021 3249-27. I don't know what that means. If you guys know what that means in the comment section, let me know. You guys probably know more than me. And you got the serial number there. It says recycle DeWalt. You got a nice fuel gauge on the back. You got 1 bar. Pretty much the standard. It says DCB 206 battery pack type 2, 6 amp hour, 120 watt hours. So alright, so, and this is the 21700s. Alright, next thing we have is this. We got the charger. This is a standard charger. This is not the fast charger. The fast charger does have a 6 amp hour fast charger here. It has a 6 here or here. This one does not. So this one's pretty much a standard charger. Still a nice charger, you know, because it does charge the 12 volt and the 20 volts. It says pack charging, pack charged, and hot and cold. And then when you got the indents there, so you guys get you know, here and here, so you guys get in the measurement, so you guys can put your screws and just hang this up on the wall in the garage or something. All right, so here's the other one. DeWalt 4 amp hour battery. It says 4 amp hour there on the side. It says 2121 31E3 3-2. Like I said, I don't know what that means. Just the 2021. You got DCB 204 battery pack type 2. It says a 4 amp hour battery, 80 watt hours. Alright, so here's I'm gonna tell you guys the difference between this and this. I don't know if you guys know, but these are two different cell batteries. One's an upgraded battery, one's the older batteries. This one's actually the upgraded batteries. If you guys look at the difference here, I'm just gonna put them like that. Let's see. I'm gonna match them there at the bottom. I'm just eyeballing it. So you guys see the 6 amp hour is actually wider than the 4. That means because this one's has the upgraded cells. It does have the 21700 cells. You guys see how fat that is? This one's really fat. It does have the 21700 cells. These are the 18650s. This is actually one of the better batteries to get. That's the reason why I got this kit and why I kept this kit, because this battery is worth it by itself. If you got one of those brushless tools, maybe a brushless drill or an impact driver or maybe a blower or something like that, you're gonna get the most out of your tool with this, your brushless tools with this 6 amp hour battery, because it does have the 2110 cells. It has a little bit more output than these. And I will make a separate video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. I will be making a video of the difference on power, see if one of these gives more power than the other. And I will also be testing the tools. I know this tool, well, I guess you can tell the difference if you put a bigger battery, but I'm probably gonna stick the hammer drill with that test, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So let's just test the fitment here. Oh, this thing barely fits in here. You guys see that? This thing barely fits in there. So this, DeWalt thought about this just way before they came out with these batteries, I guess. I don't know, but it barely fits in there. That's crazy. So it fits perfectly. So like I said, I will make a separate video on these and let you guys know. Pretty nice. That's a little hard to get off. Brand new battery, huh? Alright, so let's test this one. This one's a 4 amp hour battery. This one's more for its size. You guys see this is a smaller tool, so works pretty good. This one should have 1 bar. Yeah, so these both batteries have 1 bar. Like I said, stay tuned for that video. I will be comparing all those batteries. A lot of you been asking for a video like that. What's this? What's the difference between this? What's the difference between that? So anyways, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers support from by subscribes and likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.